Just today, I received a delivery. Ito ang silicone wiper for my Hyundai Eon. And today we are going to do a video about kung paano palitan ang wiper ng Hyundai Eon. Stay tuned! We are now here at the garage or my parking slot, and I'll show you how to remove the wipers. Actually ito yung stock wiper ng Hyundai Eon. It's so easy. Actually, I can do it with one hand. And ito po kung paano siya tanggalin. Ganito lang po siya tanggalin. Meron tayong i-push dito. Actually, parang clip. Iusod nyo lang siya pag ganon. Itulak nyo lang siya pag ganyan. Like this. Meron lang siya dito, napakaliit. Let me check. Pag ganito pala. Sorry, it's pag ganito. Not pushing against but towards you. Ayan. Ito lang. Meron siyang clip. Usog lang natin siyang ganyan. And then, hilahin lang natin siya pababa. Wait Yan. Hilahin lang natin siya pababa. There you go. Tanggal na siya. Ganun lang po kadali, no? So, siguro it's advisable na linisin na rin natin tong part na to, no? Just for cleanliness sake. So I'll be replacing the original or yung stock wiper with the silicone type. Ito yung parang frameless, no? And I will replace it with this inexpensive GTP ang brand niya. I don't know where it is made from. Wala kasi nakalagay. But this is silicone type. So I think it will work better than the stock one. Kasi ang advice ng the manual says you have to replace your wipers every 6 months. And the silicone type daw is will last longer. Actually, well, dun sa website kasi na pinagbilan ko, it will last twice as much or more than twice as much nung standard wiper na kasama. Well, I'll have to figure out kung paano siya baklasin, because it's quite different. There we go. So this is how you install it. Itong medyo may hump like this. I-push lang, tulak lang natin siyang pag ganyan. And then we'll just insert it as such. Ganyan lang. And pasok. I'm trying to do it with one hand to see if it's really that easy to install na. So, yun nga. Let me just show it to you again. So, binukakas ko lang to. Tinulak ko siya pataas. Yan, tinulak ko siya pataas. And then, dito sa butas, papasok ko lang siya. And then, let me do it again. Medyo magulo yung isa kong kamay. So, pagkatapos ko siyang iangat like this, yung butas, papasok ko lang siya dito. And then, maingay sa labas. Push lang pataas. And then, that's it. That's how easy it is. At ito na yung itsura niya nung naikabit ko. As you can see, yung top part niya is sakto lang naman. Hindi naman nag-itsi dun sa salamin. And then, ito yung 22 inches niyan. Well, for Hyundai Eon, ang size kasi ng wiper, itong nasa right side, yung maliit is 14 inches At ito yung nasa driver side is 22 inches. So that's how it looks like. No? It looks much sleeker. Medyo mas modern ang dating. Well, it's a modern type of wiper, ano. So, wala siyang frame na bakal sa labas. Actually, meron daw siya sa loob. But nandito siya sa loob ng wiper mismo. And then, covered siya into rubber. And then, yung blade niya mismo is coated with silicone. So that's how it is. Thank you for watching. God bless. Click that subscribe button. So anong gagawin natin dito sa luma? Since mukhang okay pa naman siya, actually still doing a good job after 3 years, no? So itatago ko na lang siya and ikakabit ko na lang during summertime because during the time of this recording, it's the month of August, medyo maulan-ulan. So I'll save this 2 para pagdating ng summer siya naman yung ikakabit ko since we are not using wiper pag summer, ano. Just to prolong din the life ng ating isang set ng bagong wipers. Thank you!